Alright, quick reality check. If you've ever looked at your razor and thought, we're still doing this? Same. Today we're testing an at-home IPL device that claims to deliver professional level hair reduction with minimal discomfort and visible results over time. It's a 2-in-1 facial rejuvenation beauty device unlike any beauty device that I have ever tried before. It's the Bosidin IPL hair removal and skin rejuvenation device that's known as the no pain, no hurt at-home laser hair removal device. Now, what really intrigued me about this device is that it also does offer the newest IPL 3.0 hair removal technology. So this device is said to be more effective, thorough, and is going to help permanently reduce hair. So that's another reason I was super excited to test out this device. Before we dive in though, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I'm certified in skincare and repair from Harvard University, and I live and breathe all things skincare, makeup, and beauty. Now back to the Bosidin. My first impressions of this device is that it's very sleek, it's very modern looking, and it feels like a professional beauty tool rather than some basic beauty gadget. I powered it on and I let it fully activate, and I noticed that within 27 seconds, the screen begins to frost over slightly. That's because this device uses a full screen, ultra thin sapphire cooling surface. It maintains a constant temperature of around 5 degrees, which helps keep treatments comfortable and minimize any sensation during use. This cooling technology is a major difference compared to other traditional IPL devices out there. And so before starting, you'll see here I removed the protective film from the screen. So you always want to make sure that the device is fully ready before use. So that's how I started. And then for the hair removal demonstration I'm going to share today, I did not attach the SR head. That attachment is specifically for skin rejuvenation mode, and it is only to be used separately, but we're going to talk about that in a moment. But first, before we get into the demo, I have to share a quick overview of this device's laser hair removal features because they are truly outstanding. This device has 6 intensity levels, allowing you to customize the treatment depending on the area of the body and your comfort level. It offers unlimited flashes, which means you don't have to worry about replacing cartridges or counting pulses. You can treat those larger areas effectively and consistently. And another standout feature is the 360-degree rotating head. This makes it so much easier to reach areas like your underarms, your legs, and other curved parts of your body without straining your wrist or your arm. So there's not going to be any numbness in your arm due to this innovative rotating head. This flexibility helps you to maintain precision and comfort during your laser hair removal process. So I started the demo today with the underarm area on a lower intensity setting, and I gradually increased the intensity as needed. Here you can see the device is powered on and we're ready to begin. So that was the first pulse. There's just a very mild warmth, but thanks to the cooling surface, it feels comfortable and controlled. There's no sharp sensations and no stinging. Just a gentle, quick pulse. So I continued across the area and it still felt very comfortable. And I just increased the intensity slightly here to demonstrate how adjustable the settings are. And even at the highest level, the cooling system keeps the treatment comfortable. The goal is consistent use over time and not aggressive intensity all at once. So now here I'm switching to automatic flash mode. To activate this, you just hold the control button for about 3 seconds. And once automatic mode is on, the device will flash continuously as you glide it across your skin. This is especially useful for larger areas like your legs, and so I just went ahead and I moved the laser hair removal device onto my leg. You simply glide the device across your skin. The pulses are still quick and evenly spaced, and the rotating head makes it so easy to maintain contact and to follow the natural shape of your body. One of the key selling points is a visible reduction in hair growth within about 1 month of consistent use with this device. So here you can see I'm showing the comparison chart on the screen now, and this highlights the difference between the untreated areas and the areas that have been treated regularly over time. Consistency is essential for IPL treatments, so following the recommended schedule is important for best results. In addition to hair removal, this device also includes a skin rejuvenation function. That's where the SR head attachment comes in. So after I completed my hair removal sessions, I switched to the SR head head for skincare focused treatments. And these are designed to improve skin's texture and also your skin's overall appearance. So again, that attachment should only be used when you're specifically using the skin rejuvenation mode. But back to the legs, let's continue with the leg hair removal treatment demo that I'm showing today. So the automatic mode that it's on now allows for smooth, continuous coverage, and the rotating head, again, will keep the motion natural and comfortable, so there will not be any strain on your arm, and that is so amazing. And that sapphire cooling surface remains cold throughout the process, which 100% helps to reduce any discomfort and makes the experience feel more like a professional treatment rather than some at-home compromise. Now, this device is FDA cleared and clinically proven, which provides an additional layer of reassurance. As with any IPL treatment, it's important that you read the user manual carefully and follow the instructions for safe, effective use. So here you can see I finished this pass on my leg and I powered the device down. So as you can see here, my skin is calm, there's no irritation, and the process is very straightforward. So to summarize the key points, the cooling sapphire surface is perfect for comfortable, no pain treatment. I love the 6 adjustable intensity levels and the unlimited flashes for long-term use. The 330-degree rotating head for precision and flexibility is a real standout feature, and I love the visible results that I received after I've been using this consistently for about a month now. So now the additional skin rejuvenation mode with this 2-in-1 face SR rejuvenation is 6th generation photo rejuvenation technology. So with this device, you can combine rejuvenation and repair into one single treatment. It has helped me personally with reducing wrinkles and blemishes, and it does help to create a firmer, brighter skin tone for you. So with this device, you're getting one device with 2 core functions, saving you countless time and money. So I'll continue using this device consistently, and I'll update the comparison chart as results develop. But IPL is all about gradual, long-term improvement, so tracking progress is important. But so far, I've been loving my results using this device. I feel like it truly does help with hair reduction, and I love how painless it is and how quick the sessions are. I also love the skin rejuvenation attachment because I feel like my skin does look so much smoother, firmer, and brighter since using the skin rejuvenation attachment with the Bosidin. So this is definitely a way to get laser hair removal and smooth skin at home and save yourself so much time and so much money, because you don't have to go into a med spa. You can do this at home at your convenience, and it is painless. So it's so great how you can do this when you have time. You don't have to worry about making appointments or leaving the house. And I do love how laser hair removal has completely taken away my ingrown hairs and those rashes that I was getting from shaving. So I also love that I no longer have to buy razors, because that is quite pricey, and also it's so much better for the environment because there's less waste. And before, I was always having to throw out all these plastic razors and with the metal parts, and so, you know, and I would have to throw them out and buy more. And so, you know, now since using this laser hair removal device, I don't have to shave as often, so I could not recommend picking up this device more. So to wrap it up, that was a full walkthrough for today. I demonstrated the setup, the treatment process, the main features, and I shared my experience over the past few weeks using this device. And I can't wait to follow up with more results after continued use, so we can see even more improvements over time. Let me know if you've tried this device, and if you love it as much as I do. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. So till next time, stay glowing, beauties.